All right. So in a different video, I showed you how to solve problems like this one. But what I'm going to do in this video is a little bit different. So I've got options A, B, and C here. And I'm going to do a little finagling here to plug in, answer option A into this original equation and see if it actually works, is what I'm going to do. All right, now because this option A, because the answer is in terms of G, I know that sounds weird. What we're going to do is we're just going to pick a random number for G. All right, so I'm going to do like G equals 5. All right, and I'm just going to plug that in for each of these G's, and that's going to tell me what X equals. All right, so you could use a calculator at this point if you had one. You could do 5 stored to G. All right, I'm just going to do it by hand here. So we've got negative 5 plus 2 over 4 minus 5. All right, on top here, that's going to give us negative 3. And on bottom, that's going to give us negative 1. And so this is going to simplify down to just 3. All right, so when G is equal to 5, X equals 3. All right, hopefully you saw all that. If not, go back and watch it again. All right, now I'm going to take this combination of G and X, and I'm going to plug it into our original equation up here. All right, so it's going to be, at this point, if you wanted to use the calculator, you could just do 3 stored to X. I forgot to mention that. I'm just going to plug it into the equation by hand. So it's 4 parentheses, 3 for X, minus 2, plus G, which is equal to 5. All right, I'm going to stop here. I'm just going to work out the left side. All right, so work out the left side here. 3 minus 2 is 1. And so we got 1 times 4, which is just 4. And then you have this plus 5 out here. And so that gives us 9. All right, so the left side equals 9 for us. All right. And then we're going to do the same thing for the right side of the equation. All right, G is equal to 5. And since it's Gx like this, that means you're timesing them. So it's 5 times 3 minus 6. All right. 5 times 3 is 15. And then you have 15 minus 6, which does equal 9. All right. So because this combination of X and G, because it works for the original equation, that means that option A is the answer. All right. I don't even have to test out this B and C. I mean, you could, I guess. But if you were to plug in, G for 5 on option B, let's see what this gives us here. So 5 plus 2, that would give us a 7. And then 4 plus 5, that would give us 9. So this would give us 7/9 is equal to X. And here you would definitely want to use the calculator. You would do 7/9 stored to X and 5 stored to G. All right, and then you would test this combination up here on this original equation. And I'm telling you, it will not work. Whatever you get for the left side, it's going to be different than the right side. All right. I'll do another video here in a little bit for another example.